Hi, and welcome to Resurgence Reliable Tip of the Day. What is a reliable tip? It is research-based education that you can trust to make you a better, stronger, and faster runner. Today, we're going to be talking about cracking knees. Why do knees crack, and is that a bad thing? Now, first of all, that is not the arthritis label that we need to put on it. What it means is that the kneecap is not tracking properly. Picture a train on the tracks, and the kneecap actually needs to slide and glide right in the tracks in order to have a safe, injury-free situation for the knee. So, here's the number one cause of why kneecaps don't track right. It is because of hip and foot weakness. So, we'll take our model, Alexandra, over here from Vienna PRR. She's going to demonstrate what it's like to do a good single leg squat. You can see the hip and the knee and the foot are all in line and tracking well. In this case, the kneecap can track in its appropriate alignment. Now, with poor strength or poor control, the hip weakness can cause the thigh to rotate in, and the foot can cause the shin bone to rotate in, both of which will cause that kneecap to track poorly and cause your cracking issues.